Hey guys, welcome back. So this one was requested by one of my viewers a long time ago, but you know, we always communicate through Instagram. So it's a Mukbang CringeFest cringe video they want me to do a reaction to, because if you guys don't know, I used to do mukbangs a lot. Especially when I was pregnant, and even before that I used to like do mukbangs, but now I kind of slowed down because I wanted to eat healthy. I wanted to switch things around a little bit. I'm still gonna do mukbangs, don't get it twisted. I'm still coming back with the mukbangs. Right now I just wanted to slim down after having the baby, like my tummy area, and just, you know, I wanted to eat a little bit cleaner and just cut out certain things, even though I still eat. Okay, I'm still eating because I'm on a weight gain journey. But I wanted to do reaction to mukbangs because I really like mukbangs. I really like doing them, and I wanted to just react to them now because I haven't done them in such a long time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, make sure you comment below. Okay, let's jump right into this video.
They're gonna live affect you.
Surprisingly satisfying. Really?
But today I got Sour Patch Kids cereal.
Cereal?
What? This is what they look like. I just got like a sample and put it in my mouth.
A sample? Oh my god. Oh, I know Steph and Tash. Hey! Yes, Steph. Listen. Stephanie will make you hungry.
So we bought this stuff called Skinny Pop popcorn. So I don't have the bag no more. I just have this little box. Smells like regular cheese popcorn.
Skinny popcorn, I know those. They don't really have much taste.
Let me get another handful.
See?
It needs salt. It tastes like.
You say doesn't she need another handful?
flavorless
Because it doesn't have no taste.
Y'all, so
Oh.
like, I feel kind of bad about it now, but so last night I put on Facebook that for dinner we had
cheeseburgers
with tomato, pickle, and onion. So in my post, I said I'm proud of myself. I only ate 2 cheeseburgers.
Wow.
And I was like completely full.
I felt like I was on a bus.
Why did it do me? I'm bad for that. I'm sorry.
I ain't got time for that bull.
She's eating that cheese crackers though.
If I want to eat the damn cheeseburger, let me eat my cheeseburger.
Okay.
I ain't got time for that. And I was like, you know, kind of shook. Or shocked.
What's happening here? Mm-hmm. Hey, you know when that food tastes that you're like, mm-hmm. Why did they play that music? They're bad mind.
Hallelujah. Thank you.
Kombucha, guys, not alcohol.
I'm wasting milk everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I love my life. Hello, I'm back home.
Ricardo.
I'm home.
You took my only food.
I mean, Ricardo. I don't even know how to say his name, guys.
Like expanding like Jupiter. It's obviously water
You
weight.
can
There's so
eat,
many
okay?
things going on with my water weight these days. It's getting like salty, salty, puffy, puffy, puffy. Someone stop me, please. I'm gonna try to eat a little less. I love cheese.
Wow, that's a lot of cheese.
Cheese.
That's too much cheese.
I love cheese.
I like cheese too, but oof.
Yes, I do. I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese.
Wow.
Yes, I do. I love cheese. I love cheese. I love
More.
cheese.
What is
I
that?
love cheese. I
The
love
onions.
cheese. I love cheese. Yes, I do. I love cheese. Yes, I do. I love cheese. I do. I love cheese. I do. I love cheese. Yes, I do. I love cheese. Mmm.
Oof. that's a lot of food.
Oh my god.
Oh hell no! What is that? No.
Styrofoam. Please click that subscribe button, and I will talk to you later. Have a nice day. Bye.
What was that man eating? I don't really mess with them kind of things. I don't eat them kind of funny foods and. Oh god. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna do number 2, so look out for this video. If you want to see number 2, stick around, subscribe, and yeah, I'm really excited to do this on my channel. So stick around and stay tuned. Bye, guys.